in this process we are not bothered about the remaining facilities, like we have to do the slug catching or the condensate removal from the natural gas or the water removal, and then that water needs to be treated and then it can go into the environment. All these things have been removed in this green hydrogen process. It is a very simple kind of a process in which your major equipments are the compressor station and the electrolyzer. Metering skids are already provided in most of the natural gas processing facilities, where we convert the natural gas into the sales gas for the industrial and domestic use. The same case goes here, is that we will be just utilizing the electrolyzer and compressor station, but there are some issues based on the temperature, pressure and other situations, because hydrogen is very lightweight and it's really hard to compress the gas, and it has to reduce the temperature up to very low amount. In that case scenario, we might need to change some of the pipelines infrastructure. That is still in the development phase. Another thing in this case scenario can be that the fuel cell will be having such a technology that it will be reduce the buying cost or the initial cost of that fuel cell will be reduced in such a way that people will start using the fuel cell for the hydrogen storage. It is still debatable. In some of the case scenarios they using the pipeline, in some of the case scenarios they using the fuel cell, in some of the case scenarios they are using the vessel cylinders to store hydrogen in the liquefied form. But the cost to convert that hydrogen into the liquid form is very high till now. So the most important thing is that fuel cell development is getting day by day better, and they are near to a point that they will devise such a fuel cells that they will store the hydrogen and they will be movable and we can use that energy. So this was the whole process for the production of the hydrogen, specifically green hydrogen. And if you have any questions or queries that you want to ask regarding the green hydrogen production, you can ask and I'll try to answer those questions. Thank you for your time and the patience. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture.